Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by loading the fundamentals so progress compounds quickly. First, test ball control and short passing to establish a baseline. You need measurable metrics. Once done, perform a targeted warm-up focused on hip mobility and explosive starts because quick reactions power Don Lorenzo style. Make sure to set one clear goal, shots on target percentage or 1v1 success, and record it. This immediate focus prevents wasted practice and gives you the first actionable steps to iterate from. You now intensify technique and decision-making together. Train moves until muscle memory overrides hesitation. Start with 20 controlled reps per signature maneuver and concentrate on body angle and timing because precision beats power without control. Then move into simulated small-sided scenarios to force quick choices under pressure. This teaches you when to use each move. Meanwhile, develop explosive power with plyometrics twice weekly and respect recovery windows, since strength without recovery undermines technical gains. Keep measuring and adjusting intensity based on those metrics. You finish by integrating skills into real play and refining through review. Play competitive matches twice a week so you can translate isolated technique into decision-based execution. Once done, record and annotate key moments to identify recurring errors. Make one precise correction per session to avoid overloading your brain. If things go wrong, fatigue, hesitation, or inconsistent execution, reduce volume and increase short, focused reps. This troubleshooting step restores quality practice and helps you sustain the Don Lorenzo Blue Lock mastery arc.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.